Yes, class 10th. The next chapter, it is lesson number 12, the Second World War. So we have done the First World War and now it is the Second World War, chapter number 12. Before starting the Second World War, in the First World War, the results of the World War, 2 points: territorial rearrangement and the league formation of the League of the Nation. I forgot to tell you. So as we have read that what was the results of the First World War. So the first one, it was the Treaty of Versailles. The second one, it is a territorial rearrangement. Territorial rearrangement means that many countries, those who were the earlier, they were the part of powerful countries, now they were free, they were not the part of any other country. So as it is read that the peace treaty signed after the war transformed the political map of the world, because particularly in Europe, like three ruling dynasties, they were destroyed: the Romanov in Russia during the war itself, then Hohenzollern in Germany, and Habsburg in Austrian Hungary. And soon after the war, the ruler of Ottoman came to rule of Ottoman, it came to an end in Turkey. Austria and Hungary became separate independent states. Yugoslavia emerged as an independent state. So these all the countries, they changed into different. They changed and they were not the part anymore. They were not the part of any other powerful country. Then next, it is the formation of the League of the Nation. The League of the Nation, it was formed. This was a important part of the peace treaties, that the Wilson 14 points included the creation of an international organization for the preservation of peace and to guarantee the independence of all the states. So the League of the Nation was created as a world organization of all independent states in 1920. So this was the this League of the Nation, basically it was formed to prevent wars and promote international cooperation. And this was also that further no wars and settlements will be made among them. Then aims and objectives of